Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to cut image in rounded rectangle in Photoshop. Let's begin. First of all, open your image, then select rounded rectangle tool, path, radius 50 px, and now click and draw your move point. Create a layer mask. See this rounded rectangle. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.